In a quiet clearing in the heart of a forest on the Costa Brava, Spain, we come across a building that seems to have always been part of this landscape. This is the Guest House Pavilion 1401, created by Nordest Arquitectura as a discrete extension of the main house, perfectly integrated into the surrounding nature. At first glance, the pavilion presents itself as a simple cuboid, defined by a U in Corten steel with a slatted facade, creating an interior retreat, a space for contemplation and tranquility. Walking along the sloped terrain, the entrance reveals itself embedded in the hillside, a sculptural void in the ground that leads us up to the main level, elevating the access experience to an almost ritualistic journey. Inside, the space opens up as a single fluid area, where the living area merges with the bedroom in an open concept layout, with only the bathroom discreetly isolated in a corner, ensuring privacy without breaking the sense of openness. Every detail was designed to maximize integration with nature, while the east, south, and west facades connect the interior with the forest, allowing natural light and the surrounding landscape to become part of the space. Solar protection is provided by sliding Corten steel lattices, offering comfort without compromising views or the connection to the outdoors. The north facade is more controlled, allowing strategic lighting for the bathroom and entrance staircase, balancing functionality and aesthetics. The house includes a basement, taking advantage of the slope as an entry at this level. The entrance is embedded into the hillside, and the basement floor is used as a separate room for beverages, covered in exposed concrete. The basement feels like a sculptural void within the hill. You enter through it and then ascend to the pavilion. At Guest House Pavilion 1401, it is impossible not to notice the immersive experience that every angle provides. From the open interior that blends with the surrounding vegetation to the rustic yet elegant texture of Corten steel contrasting with the deep green of the forest. Guest House Pavilion 1401 is not just a guest house, but a space for contemplation and connection, an invitation to slow down and feel every detail of the surrounding nature. Walking through this pavilion, you sense how the architecture respects its surroundings, transforms the slope into an experience of discovery, and offers a serene shelter amid dense vegetation, balancing simplicity, functionality, and natural beauty.